Here at the archery range, I'm shooting my Black Eagles because I don't want to shoot my full metal jackets. My full metal jackets are just for hunting. So I'm shooting my Black Eagles right there with your great target arrows. They're 405 grains. I'm not shooting my FMJs. I'm gonna shoot my Black Eagles. Coming down to the target. Nice little groupings. The Black Eagles, they shoot nice. They shoot nice. Really nice arrow. Black Eagle Outlaw, 405 grains. There's the target again at 20. Be taking some more shots. This is my other group I just shot. Pretty nice groupings. I'll take it. My dad, my videographer, is good at videoing me. Shooting the Black Eagle Outlaw arrows, not shooting my full metal jackets. These are 405 grains. Out of my BOWTECH REVOLT. Hitting X's. Hitting X's. Oh, this bow shoots so well. Field points tight. This bow is just a dream to shoot. Oh, sweet. Thanks, Dad. Go down and look at this group. That's what I'm talking about. Really nice group. Really nice group. Black Eagle Outlaw arrows, 405 grains.